first of all, you have to understand, or you have to ask yourself really hard questions, that why you want to make that pivot. Is it really, what is it? And then you have to ask yourself, do you have all the ingredients for the pivot? Or just you are doing the pivot because you think something is cool, something is in, something is a fashion. And if you still find that, you are on that track, then you have to go and see whether you have the wherewithal. And if not, then you have to find that team. Because everything we do remember there's an old proverb which says machines don't fight, it's the men behind the machines. It's probably so true in our technology world today. It's not about opportunity. It's not about technology. It's not about how technology can be an enabler to disrupt those opportunities and create new opportunities. But it is all about the ability of the team to heavy lift and make that happen, to harness that change. If you do not have that right team, you are not ready for the pivot. If you try to do a pivot, that will be a disaster. You will actually lose both places. I give you one very simple thing. I give you an example, since you're talking about pivot. So our traditional automobile industry today, the internal combustion engine automobile industry, meaning the one that works on gas and petrol and on diesel, they are completely decimated today because of electric vehicles, because of Tesla. Let's take it that way. The way they have disrupted the first principles of using the first principles of science, battery, software, AI, robotics, mobility, and you take name of it. Tesla is not an automobile company. And in face of this, the biggest producers like Volkswagen, Toyota, Mercedes, BMW, they are dominoes who have been there for several decades. And they have very strong balance sheets and their marquee brands. They need a desperate pivot into electric, but they can't make it happen. Why? Because they are trapped in their past. Because of the large investment that they have already made in their internal combustion assembly lines. Today, when all automobile industries have shown terrible production data and sales data, Tesla has its best delivery in the last quarter, despite their main factory in California being shut for 7 weeks out of 12 weeks. Their profits, their sales, everything has actually gone up and about. Is essentially, that's where, doing pivot is easy to say, but very hard to do. And the more that they will try to do this pivot, they will actually further get into challenge. So much so that today, in terms of market cap, so price is always anticipatory in our world, in our investing world, right? So it moves ahead and then earnings catch up. Remember, price is always a slave of earning. If your earnings don't catch up, your prices will fall, will just trip off the cliff. For Tesla today, in terms of market cap, is the biggest automobile company, bigger than today Toyota. How did it happen? So it's not an easy conversation. And especially when you are well-entrenched player, it's even more. That's why we always say disruption never happens from within.